This video is about a method for adding money when you have a mixture of coins and bills. There's more than one way to do this, and you use the method you like best, but here is a method that some people like. First we add the coins, then we add the bills, and then we add the answers. So I'll show that with 3 examples. Here we have one $5 bill, 1 quarter, 1 dime. First, the quarter is 25 cents, plus the dime, which is 10 cents, and that gives us 35 cents. There's only one bill, which is $5. So the total is going to be $5 plus the 35 cents, which is $5.35, and we use our dollar sign. In our second example, we have 2 $20 bills and 3 nickels. First, the coins. 3 nickels is 3 times 5 cents, which is 15 cents. 2 $20 bills is 2 times 20, which is $40. The total, $40 plus the 15 cents gives us $40.15. I don't have enough room at the bottom here, so I'll do this one on the chalkboard. We have one $10 bill, 2 $5 bills, 3 quarters, and 1 dime. First, the coins. 3 quarters is 3 times 25 cents, which is 75 cents. That 75 cents is added to the 1 dime, 10 cents. And now we have 85 cents. 1 $10 bill and 2 $5 bills. The $10 bill is added to 2 times the $5 bill, and it's giving us $20. Finally, we add our totals. 20 plus 85 cents is $20.85. Notice how showing 20 as 20.00, so it's shown like money, makes it easier to add the values and get the right answer. So this method should be all you need to add up any amount of money when you have a mixture of coins and bills.